Welcome. Today we're diving into how you can invest your very first $100 the smart way. Whether you're a student, a young professional, or just someone curious about building wealth, this guide is for you. Investing may sound intimidating, but starting small is the best way to learn. With just $100, you can begin your journey toward financial independence. We'll walk through practical steps, clear up common myths, and show you how to make your money work for you. Let's get started by understanding why investing early matters and how even a small amount can grow over time. Might wonder if $100 is enough to make a difference. The answer is yes. Starting with a small amount helps you learn the basics without risking too much. It's about building good habits and getting comfortable with the process. Even the most successful investors began with their first dollar. Over time, consistent investing, even in small amounts, can lead to significant growth, so don't underestimate the power of starting small. Next, let's talk about setting clear goals for your investment journey. Before you invest, it's important to know what you're investing for. Are you saving for a rainy day, a big purchase, or long-term wealth? Setting clear goals helps you choose the right investment options and stay motivated. Write down your goals and decide how much risk you're comfortable taking. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. With your goals in mind, you'll be more likely to stick with your plan even when the market gets bumpy. Now, let's look at the different types of investments you can consider. There are many ways to invest your money, but not all are created equal. The most common options include stocks, bonds, mutual funds, ETFs, and even high-yield savings accounts. Each has its own risks and rewards. Stocks offer higher growth but can be volatile, while bonds are steadier but grow more slowly. Mutual funds and ETFs let you invest in a mix of assets, spreading out your risk. High-yield savings accounts are safe but offer lower return. Next, we'll focus on the best options for your first $100. Exchange-traded funds or ETFs are a great choice for beginners. They let you invest in a basket of stocks or bonds, so your money is spread out and your risk is lower. With just $100, you can buy fractional shares of popular ETFs through most online brokers. ETFs are also known for their low fees and flexibility. They're a smart way to get exposure to the stock market without picking individual companies. Next, let's see how to open your first investment account. Start investing, you'll need an account with a brokerage firm. Many online brokers let you open an account with no minimum deposit, making it easy to start with $100. Look for platforms with low fees and user-friendly apps. The sign-up process usually takes just a few minutes. You'll need to provide some personal information and link your bank account. Once your account is set up, you're ready to fund it and make your first investment. Let's talk about how to choose the right broker for you. Not all brokers are the same. Some offer better tools, lower fees, or more educational resources. For beginners, look for brokers with simple interfaces, good customer support, and low or zero commissions. Read reviews and compare features before you decide. Many brokers also offer educational content to help you learn as you go. Once you've chosen your broker, you can transfer your $100 and get ready to invest. Next, let's discuss the importance of diversification. Diversification means spreading your money across different investments to reduce risk. If one investment goes down, others may go up, balancing your overall returns. With just $100, you can diversify by choosing ETFs or mutual funds that invest in many companies at once. This way, you don't have to worry about picking the perfect stock. Diversification is a key principle for smart investing, especially when starting out. Now let's talk about how to actually buy your first investment. Once your account is funded, it's time to buy your first investment. Search for the ETF, mutual fund, or stock you want to buy. Enter the amount. Many brokers allow you to buy fractional shares, so your $100 can go a long way. Double-check your order before confirming. After you buy, you'll see your investment in your account. Congratulations, you're now an investor. Next, let's discuss the importance of patience and long-term thinking. Investing is not about getting rich quick. The most successful investors focus on the long term. Markets go up and down, but over time they tend to grow. By leaving your money invested and adding more when you can, you give your investments time to compound and grow. Don't panic if you see short-term drops. Stay patient, stick to your plan, and let time do the work. Next, let's look at how to keep learning as you invest. The world of investing is always changing. Make it a habit to keep learning. Read books, listen to podcasts, and follow trusted financial news sources. Many brokers offer free educational resources. The more you know, the better decisions you'll make. Don't be afraid to ask questions or seek advice from experienced investors. Learning is a lifelong journey, and every bit of knowledge helps you grow your wealth. Next, let's talk about avoiding common mistakes. New investors often make mistakes like chasing hot stocks, panicking during market drops, or investing money they can't afford to lose. The key is to stay calm, stick to your plan, and avoid emotional decisions. Don't invest money you'll need soon. Remember, investing is a long-term game. By learning from others' mistakes, you can avoid costly errors and stay on track. Next, let's discuss the importance of consistency. Investing regularly, even small amounts, can have a big impact over time. Consider setting up automatic deposits to your investment account. This way, you're always adding to your portfolio no matter what the market is doing. Consistency helps you build wealth and smooths out the ups and downs of the market. It's not about timing the market, but time in the market. Next, let's look at how to track your progress. It's important to check in on your investments from time to time. Most brokers offer tools to track your portfolio's performance. Review your progress every few months, but don't obsess over daily changes. Tracking helps you see how your money is growing and keeps you motivated. If you notice any issues, you can adjust your plan. Remember, the goal is steady growth over time. Next, let's talk about reinvesting your earnings. Your investments earn dividends or interest. Consider reinvesting them instead of cashing out. This helps your money grow faster thanks to compounding. Many brokers offer automatic reinvestment options. Over time, reinvesting can make a big difference in your total returns. It's a simple way to boost your wealth without extra effort. Next, let's discuss the importance of having an emergency fund. For investing, make sure you have some cash set aside for emergencies. An emergency fund covers unexpected expenses like car repairs or medical bills. This way, you won't have to sell your investments in a hurry if something comes up. Aim for at least 3 to 6 months worth of expenses. Once your emergency fund is in place, you can invest with more confidence. Next, let's talk about fees and how they affect your return. Investment fees can eat into your returns over time. Look for low-cost options like ETFs and brokers with zero commissions. Even small fees add up, especially over many years. Always read the fine print before investing. By keeping your costs low, you keep more of your money working for you. Next, let's discuss the importance of reviewing your investment plan regularly. Life changes, and so should your investment plan. Review your goals and investments at least once a year. Make adjustments if your situation or risk tolerance changes. Regular reviews help you stay on track and make sure your investments match your needs. Don't be afraid to make changes if something isn't working. Next, let's talk about the benefits of starting early. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Thanks to compounding, even small amounts can turn into large sums over decades. Starting with $100 today is better than waiting for the perfect moment. Time is your biggest ally in building wealth. Don't worry if you can't invest a lot right now, just get started. Next, let's discuss how to avoid scams and protect your money. Unfortunately, there are scams out there targeting new investors. Be cautious of promises of guaranteed returns or get-rich-quick schemes. Only use reputable brokers and never share your account details with anyone. If something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Protecting your money is just as important as growing it. Next, let's talk about the emotional side of investing. Investing can be emotional, especially when markets are volatile. It's normal to feel excited when your investments go up and worried when they go down. The key is not to let emotions drive your decisions. Stick to your plan and remember your long-term goals. If you feel anxious, take a step back and review your strategy. Staying calm helps you make better choices. Next, let's discuss the benefits of joining investment communities. Learning with others can make investing more enjoyable and less intimidating. Join online forums, social media groups, or local clubs where you can share experiences and tips. Being part of a community helps you stay motivated and learn from others' successes and mistakes. Just remember to do your own research before following any advice. Next, let's talk about using technology to your advantage. There are many apps and tools that make investing easier than ever. Use technology to track your portfolio, set goals, and automate your investments. Many apps offer educational content and alerts to keep you informed. Just be careful not to get overwhelmed by too much information. Choose tools that fit your needs and help you stay organized. Next, let's discuss the importance of staying informed about market trends. Keeping up with market trends and economic news helps you make better investment decisions. Follow trusted news sources and financial experts. Don't react to every headline, but stay aware of what's happening in the world. Being informed helps you spot opportunities and avoid risks. Remember, knowledge is power in investing. Next, let's talk about celebrating your progress. Every step forward is worth celebrating. Whether it's making your first investment, reaching a savings goal, or learning something new, take time to acknowledge your progress. Celebrating small wins keeps you motivated and reminds you that you're on the right track. Investing is a journey and every milestone matters. Next, let's discuss how to handle setbacks. Setbacks are a normal part of investing. Markets will have ups and downs, and you might make mistakes along the way. The important thing is to learn from setbacks and keep moving forward. Don't let temporary losses discourage you. Review what happened, adjust your plan if needed, and stay focused on your long-term goals. Next, let's talk about the value of patience. Patience is one of the most important traits for successful investors. It takes time for investments to grow, and results won't always be immediate. Trust the process and give your money time to work. By staying patient, you avoid making rash decisions and give yourself the best chance for long-term success. Next, let's discuss when to increase your investments. As you become more comfortable with investing, look for opportunities to add more money to your portfolio. Increasing your investments as your income grows can accelerate your wealth building. Just make sure you're not sacrificing your emergency fund or other financial needs. Gradually increasing your contributions is a smart way to build wealth over time. Next, let's talk about giving back. As your investments grow, consider giving back to your community or causes you care about. Donating a portion of your gains can make a positive impact and add meaning to your financial journey. Giving back also helps you stay grounded and grateful for your progress. Next, let's wrap up with a summary of what you've learned. Congratulations, you've learned how to invest your first $100 the smart way. Remember to start with clear goals, choose low-cost investments, and stay consistent. Keep learning, be patient, and don't let emotions control your decisions. Investing is a journey, and every step you take brings you closer to financial independence. Now take action and start building your future one smart decision at a time.